you want to make a policy, and I think it is what is happening, you need to go back to know what the people want before you make a policy for them. So our policy shouldn't be top down. It's supposed to evolve from bottom up. And that is, and it is commendable when he said you intended to come and look at what is on ground. I think these are very sensible people. I want to say this is a salutary one, and I want to commend you that you have even come in the first instance to come and say, let's look around. You have not just decided to say this is what you intend to do. And I think I'm not surprised that we have someone that is in government. And for instance, this woman, I met her in the 90s while she was in no group. And I've heard so much of Mr. Abiodun Ogirigwe, but this is the first time I'm meeting him. And other names I've heard before. This man is always around us. So I'm not surprised that you are going further with your sense of commitment and responsibility. So it is good to have you here. And I think it is one thing I want to say, which I also want to pass across, which the man in government is here. When you want to make a policy, and I think it is what is happening, you need to go back to know what the people want before you make a policy for them. So our policy shouldn't be top down. It's supposed to evolve from bottom up. And that is, and it is commendable when he said you intended to come and look at what is on ground. I think these are very sensible people. That wouldn't just say, okay, we've got this, we are doing an anniversary, we've got these materials for the department. I'm not condemning those that have been doing that, but I think it is a step ahead that have taken this initiative to come and look at it. Even if eventually you look at the whole lot of what we have to do and say, okay, this is what we intend to do. Others have become, even the 94 set came. This weird place we are looking at, a set came and said, okay, they will refurbish this place for us. They also claimed they said they will refurbish the newsroom for us. But we have not heard from them, maybe because of the economic situation or something like that, and that will not stop another group from picking it up.
I'm today because I'm aware.
Please, that will not stop you. Whatever you want to do, you are free to do. Any group that comes around, whatever is on ground, they will look at it and
I think very sad, and I'm happy when I look around with nostalgia. I came into this around 1991 when we first moved from Bishop's Court, way back, and I looked at the structures almost dilapidated, and this is the office, supposed office of the head of department. This is absolutely unacceptable and it's sad. But well, for every event there's always a turning point. No matter how little it will be, this set will make an impact, and that impact will be remembered for good in the history of this school.
Nigeria, this is your two-sided with Wendy, and I'm here to tell you to keep watching OTV.
Thanks for watching OTV.